toenail fungus is a real common problem that a lot of people suffer from. If you have never had the infection, then you're lucky. If you are suffering now, then this video will help you get rid of the infection, using our natural remedies. The cause of toenail fungus is down to many different things going on in your body. The fungus can appear if you have a weak immune system, or your body acid levels are too high. But the most common cause is sweaty feet, usually because you're not changing your socks often enough. Bad washing habits are another cause, and people who suffer from diabetes will find toenail fungus a common problem. It's not a pretty sight, especially on ladies' feet. They like to have nice nails, and if it's not treated, then the problem will only get worse. The fungus can cause nails to split or crack, and in some cases, the toenail will fall off. But don't despair, there are cures, and good ones, using natural remedies that don't use chemicals, and won't cost you a lot of money. But be aware that getting rid of toenail fungus does not happen overnight, it's a long-term treatment, and patience is required. So here are some treatments that will kill that fungus. Number 1. Baking soda. If you were to go to most people's kitchens, you would probably find baking soda in their cupboard. It has so many uses, and one of them is treating toenail fungus. It will also help to stop feet from smelling, but that's another video. So, here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 cup of baking soda. 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide 3%, this is a mild antiseptic mixture of hydrogen and water, which has many household uses. 1 cup of Epsom salts. 8 cups of warm water, not hot. 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Mix all those ingredients in a bowl and soak your affected toenail in the mixture for around 15 minutes. The longer you leave it to soak, the better, and when you've finished, make sure to wash your toenail with clean soapy water, and most importantly, dry your foot thoroughly. Do this morning and night, if possible, or as much as you can, and you'll see the improvement in 1 to 2 months. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can be used for a lot of skin problems and is great for killing toenail fungus. All you need to do is add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil to 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix them together and apply directly to the affected nail, as often as possible. Let the mixture soak in for a few minutes and then massage the nail or scrub with a small hard brush. A toothbrush is just right. Again, wash off the mixture with warm water. 3. White vinegar. One of the best ways to treat and kill the infection caused by toenail fungus is white vinegar. It's quite a strong antiseptic to be put on the skin, so the mixing levels can change. If you find that this mixture slightly burns your skin, just add more water. So, just add 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts warm water. Put this mix on the toenail and let it soak in. Leave this on for 15 minutes. Twice a day should be enough, and then cleaned off with warm water. Once again, if you do find that you get a reaction on your skin or it gets hot, then dilute the vinegar with more water. 4. Apple cider vinegar. This had to be in there as a treatment. As usual, apple cider vinegar is a great all-round solution for treating many different ailments, and toenail fungus is no exception. The acid content in the vinegar stops the spread of the fungus and also kills the fungi and any bacteria in the nail. Mix equal amounts of apple cider vinegar with water and soak the nail in the mixture. Soak for as long as possible, twice a day, and as usual, make sure you rinse with warm water and dry thoroughly. 5. Garlic. Another natural herb that is found throughout the world and has many healing qualities. We've talked about and used garlic many times on previous videos for healing and curing different problems. Once again, garlic cannot be left out. Just crush the garlic into a paste and mix it with white vinegar. Apply the mix to the problem nail, and leave on for as long as possible. Do this every day and continue until the fungus has gone. Don't forget to wash thoroughly, as we all now know, garlic has a really strong smell and you won't be very popular if it's not washed off. An easy way to get the oil from the garlic is to fry a crushed clove in olive oil, but let the paste cool before applying to the nail. 6. Mouthwash. Although this is not a home natural remedy, it's a great and easy way to treat toenail fungus, because mouthwash contains alcohol, which in itself will kill bacteria and germs. If you mix this with an equal amount of white vinegar, together they will fight the fungus and clear up the infection. As usual, soak the toe in the mixture for as long as possible and then scrub the toenail. Wash with warm water and dry thoroughly. 7. Turmeric. Another of nature's wonder plants, it has many healing benefits for our bodies. It's a strong antiseptic and antifungal remedy when used in the right way. You should use this the same way as many of the other cures. Mix the turmeric with a small amount of water and apply the mixture to the infected nail. Apply as often as possible for as long as the healing takes. 8. Potato. Everyone knows what a potato is, but not all of us know of its secret antifungal and bleaching properties. Just add a grated potato with some turmeric and mix it into a paste. Put this onto the nail, leaving it on all day. This will not only cure and kill the fungus, it will also bring back the nail to its original color. And it's odorless. Getting rid of any fungal infection is not easy, whatever course of treatment you choose. You have to be patient and continue with the treatment for usually a long period. These cures will only work if you use them consistently, so don't give up. Once gone, the fungus can return very quickly, and remember, it's contagious, so picking it up or passing it on is very easy. It's usually spread in warm, moist environments. Places like public swimming pools, communal showers, gyms, and locker rooms. After you have killed of the fungus, keep up the treatment and make sure you keep your feet in good condition. Change your socks regularly. Wash your feet twice a day. Make sure you dry your feet thoroughly and keep a healthy diet. Fungal infections take time to grow and will take time to get rid of, so be patient and consistent. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.